Designed with convenience in mind, the MedLite Homecare full electric bed is a premium lightweight bed with smooth rolling casters for easy transport and an advanced remote with large user-friendly buttons. Each bed is inspected, system tested, and approved at maximum weight capacities. The full electric bed will arrive in 2 boxes. Before assembling, please make sure you have all the parts, as well as a box cutter and heavy-duty scissors. Box 1 contains 1 headboard, 1 head spring, 2 bolts, 1 wrench, and 4 casters. Box 2 contains the footboard with a removable hand crank, foot spring section containing the head and foot actuators, high-low motor, control box and power cord, universal drive shaft, and the hand pendant. You will want to have the 2 frames oriented at a 90-degree angle. Connect the top and bottom latches on the head frame into the sockets on the foot frame. Once connected, slowly open the frames to a straight position. Make sure the latches always remain hooked onto the sockets. To adjust and connect the head spring extension tube, remove the cotter pin from the end of the extension tube. Then, pull out the extension tube and make sure the pin snaps in. The head motor will not work unless the pin is engaged. Connect the pull tube assembly to the lift arm of the head spring by inserting the clevis pin into the lift arm slot. Reconnect the cotter pin to secure the connection. Lay the bed flat with the springs facing upwards. Lift the head spring section up to give slack to the spring fabric. Connect the spring fabric together with the links provided and hook together all the links. Insert the bolt sets on each side of the bed frame at the connection point between the head and foot spring and hand tighten. Then use the included wrench to tighten securely. The bed comes with 2 locking and 2 non-locking casters. Each head and footboard will have 1 locking caster and 1 non-locking caster. You will want to ensure the locking casters are installed diagonally. Make sure to lock the locking casters by pressing down on the caster lock to prevent excessive movement. Insert the shaft of the caster into the caster socket of each bed leg. Ensure the stem is fully inserted into the socket. Stand the headboard section as close to the head of the frame as possible. Raise the head frame until the rivets on the corner plates fit into the corner locks of the headboard. Repeat with the footboard. The high-low motor shaft needs to be installed to the foot section of the bed. Release the spring-loaded shaft on the high-low motor into the footboard gearbox. The bed comes with a removable hand crank attached to the footboard that can be used to rotate the footboard gearbox until it fully engages the high-low motor shaft. The drive shaft comes in 2 sections and can be installed in any orientation. Insert the section with the push pin into the section with the indicators and align with the full setting. Lift up head end section of the bed. Connect the drive shaft assembly to the bed by first attaching either side of the drive shaft to the headboard gearbox. Attach the other end to the footboard high-low motor. Return the bed back to the flat position. Note that the head actuator, foot actuator, high-low motor, and hand pendant cables should already be plugged into the control box. Please ensure all connections are secure. There is a receptacle on the junction box for the backup battery replacement box. This feature is used in the event of a power failure to return the bed to a horizontal position. 9-volt batteries are sold separately and can be inserted into the battery box. The box does not need to be connected to the bed when not in use. In the case of a power failure, insert the cable on the battery box to the receptacle labeled battery. The last step of the bed assembly is to plug the power cord into an outlet. Assembly is now complete. The bed can raise at the head section, the foot section, and the entire frame can be adjusted. For product assembly questions, email productsupport@medline.com or contact your sales rep for general questions.